Managing complex projects means handling hundreds of documents. For construction and other project-based firms, misplaced files and outdated plans cause costly delays. You need a better way to work. That's where Acumatica Project Document Management comes in. Enable your team to efficiently organize, store, view, and retrieve project documents. When everyone has access to the records they need, it connects your field and office teams with a single, unified, cloud-based solution. With Acumatica, managing your project documents is foolproof. Let's explore how our document management features will transform the way you work. Access all your vital files directly from within the project. Centralized project file visibility lets you toggle between list and icon views, ensuring you find exactly what you need without wasting time. Next, take control of your data with improved file organization. Create tag templates for specific project needs and apply them to project templates to ensure a consistent document tag hierarchy from the start. To make things even easier, our AI-powered file auto-tagging does the heavy lifting for you. The system analyzes file metadata and automatically assigns tags. AI guarantees every document is perfectly classified every time. Drive your projects forward with embedded PDF annotation, ensuring complete version control. No need to download files or switch between applications. Everything happens seamlessly within the platform. This keeps your team aligned and ensures a single source of truth for all project documents. Easily filter and view tags by record type to quickly locate specific documents, like this expense claim. Finally, rely on secure storage and role-based permissions to protect your sensitive documents and making industry compliance straightforward. Unlock the power of modern document management. Empower your teams, streamline your workflows, and keep every project on track. Discover how our connected ERP solution helps you build confidently. Contact us today to schedule a demo.